Hi, today I'm here to talk to you about an accessory for your drone called a launch pad. Now these launch pads come in a little bag and they fold up nice and small, and they actually open up to be a decent size for your drone. Now this launch pad is double-sided. On one side is an orange facing and on the other side is a blue facing. That gives a little bit of variety, and the orange facing particularly can stand out a lot more in different environments and it's a lot easier to see from the sky. So this landing pad is 55 centimeters in diameter. As you can see, the Mavic Pro sits on there quite comfortably without any problems. The props do hang over a little bit, but that's okay because the idea is to land on it and protect the inner workings of the drone from leaves and sand and other debris coming from the ground as you take off and land. So we can see here that there's a very rough and dirty takeoff area, and that might actually damage the drone. So what I'll do is I'll just put this down here so I can take off from it. So that's a lot better for the drone, and it'll stop the dirt from coming up into the internals of it when it's taking off and landing. Makes me a lot more comfortable using this thing actually to take off and land from. So if you want to protect your drone from debris underneath as you take off or land, I highly recommend you get one of these, and I'll include a link to where you can purchase them in the description below. And that's all for today. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to keep in touch with what I'm doing later on in the future, and do leave your comments below if you have anything to say. Until next time, you have a good day and happy droning.